This video will show you how to quickly and easily get accurate power line conductor measurements with your Intermatic DAWG digital automatic wire gauge device. Before using this device, it's important that you adhere to all OSHA and company work rules and regulations and use all necessary and appropriate personal protection equipment. Ensure that the hot stick you're using has been tested to OSHA and your company's standards, and conduct a pre-job briefing to identify any hazards prior to using the device. There are two ways to attach the DAWG device to a hot stick. Using a universal attachment, line up the grooves of the DAWG with the grooves of the attachment and tighten the wing nut. Using a hook, turn the DAWG upside down and insert the hook into the top expandable slot. Guide the DAWG around the hook and secure it to the hot stick by threading the Velcro strap through the buckle. To attach the mobile device mount to the hot stick, line up the tabs of the strap attachment with the holes on the back of the device mount and push up to secure into place. Thread the Velcro strap through the buckle and pull tightly to secure it around the base of the hot stick. To pair your DAWG device with your Intermatic DAWG app on your tablet or smartphone, press the power button located on the back side of the DAWG device. The power LED will be a solid color from green to red depending on the battery level. The Bluetooth LED will flash blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Once connected, it will be solid blue. And the confirmation LED will be solid red, which will turn to green when it has been properly secured and stabilized over a conductor. On your mobile device, open the app. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your location and to connect to other devices. You will also need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Tap Connect to a device. After a quick scan, the app will list any nearby discovered devices. You can make sure that you're pairing with the correct device by matching the characters listed after WGD on the app with the last 6 characters of the barcode on the front label of the device. Tap on the device listing in the app and then press OK to confirm. The app is now paired with your device. To take a reading, make sure that the app is on the Device tab at the bottom of the screen. Adhering to all OSHA and company work rules and regulations, extend the hot stick over the distribution line you wish to measure. Place the conductor into the A gap of the DAWG device between the base and the arm. Once the device has settled and is taking a measurement, the confirmation LED will turn from red to green. On the app, you will see the reading results. Some slots will have multiple conductor types associated with them. Choose the appropriate conductor by tapping on its listing in the app. After a line has been measured, you can tap in the box that says Quick Reading to enter a project ID. To confirm, press Add. Please note that multiple measurements can be taken on a single project ID. Each reading will be listed under the folder for that project ID in the Measurements tab. You can add images to the reading with either the built-in DAWG device camera, the camera of your mobile device, or by choosing an image from the image library of your mobile device. For this example, we will take an image with the built-in DAWG device camera. Choose the image size by tapping in the box at the top of the screen. For this example, we will select 720p, which is 1280 by 720 pixels. Next to the image size is an option to turn on the DAWG's built-in light. This can be helpful in dark environments. The DAWG camera is located on the back side of the device above the power button. Point it at your subject and press the shutter button at the bottom of the screen. The image will download. After viewing the image, you can choose to either retake or use the photo. When Use is selected, the image is added to the reading. Up to 5 images can be attached to a single reading. To add any notes, tap in the box under Notes. Here you can add any relevant additional information. To save the reading, click Save. To view saved readings, tap on the Measurements tab at the bottom of the screen. Below the Project ID folder will be all readings associated with that ID. You can tap on the reading to view its details and images and make any edits. As you can see, the date, time, and GPS position were automatically recorded when the measurement was taken. You can view the location on a map by tapping on the marker icon. To return to the Dog app, tap Dog at the top left of the screen. To view images, click on a thumbnail. From here, you can scroll through each image associated with the reading. To go back, press Back at the top left of the screen. To return to the main measurements menu, tap Back again. If you made any edits to the reading, you will need to save them before proceeding. To send your measurements through email, select any measurements you would like to include and press Export. This will create a CSV file of the text data. Images will need to be downloaded separately. From here, you can add recipients and modify the email before sending. To access exported images, open the Files app on your mobile device. Please note that these steps may vary depending on the make, model, and firmware of your device. Under Browse, choose On My Phone or Tablet. Now click on the folder labeled Dog. Each project ID will have its own folder. Tap on the folder to see any images associated with that ID. Tap on the icon to view each image. Tap on the image again for export options. Back on the app, you can take any additional measurements by tapping the device icon at the bottom of the screen. On the Device tab, the battery level of the Dog device is displayed at the top right of the screen. To charge your Dog device, connect the included USB-C cable to the port on your device and connect the other end of the cable to a power supply. The device will charge whether it's powered on or off. But to check the charge level, it will need to be turned on. The power LED will be green if the charge level is 75% or above, yellow from 50 to 74%, orange from 25 to 49%, and red if it's 25% or less. And if you need help or get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.